Do elephants purposely store alcohol in their trunk to get drunk? No. Although there have been instances of elephants getting drunk, those are solely due to heavily overeating alcohol containing foods. Adding to this, as per a 2020 study, yes, elephants break down alcohol more easily than other animals, but they cannot metabolize alcohol as quickly as humans. They don't do it consciously or enjoy getting drunk. However, in one instance, a herd of elephants in India ate all the mahua, a liquor plant made from the flower of the Maduka longifolia tree, until they blacked out. That's it from my end, and for more updates, stay tuned to Noelo.